reality is this, the more you pursue money in life, the more money will run away from you. Pag ang pera ang habol mo sa buhay, mailap ang pera. How many times in our lives na pera lang talaga ang parang goal natin? So, nadidistract tayo. Oo, so, ay, may kita dito sa direct selling. Oh, may kita dito sa insurance. Ay, may kita dito sa real estate. Ang hinahabol natin, pera. And ever since I was young, that was what I was pursuing. And you know what happened? Nakakapagod talaga. Instead of me making more money, alam mo na nangyari? I lose time, I lose money because ang focus ko lang pera. But without me knowing, if I just pursue my destiny, when I talk about destiny-driven, ibig sabihin po niyan, yung goals mo must be aligned to your future, to your purpose and calling in life. Kasi kung hindi aligned sa purpose and calling mo, nagsasayang ka lang ng pagod. How many times you have tried to do something, at the end of the day, tinigil mo at umulit ka, naghanap ka ng panibagong pagkakakitaan. Kasi nga, hindi siya destiny-driven, it's money-driven.